Hey, shoes, don't make it bad. You're a roller skate, I'll make you better. Remember to let her into your heart, then you can start to make it better, 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 better. Yo! Na, 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 na. Hey, shoes. Na, 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 na. Hey, shoes. Oh, goodness. No, it doesn't work. Oh, get bell bottoms, they said. You look cute, bell bottoms. Yeah, I can't see your cute new skates and your bell bottoms. What? Purple? Purple? Shining. Oh, it's dark in here. Oh, sticky wheels. They're so sticky. Okay, they roll. Nope. I did my cheesy unboxing yesterday singing to my new Moo boots because I'm stupid. So I thought I would show people what was in the box. Obviously, if you did watch that video, you saw that had a cute little wrapping on it. And I was like, wait a minute, do I have to take the sticker off? And then realize this is just put on top. So you don't have to rip it up if you like hoarding tissue paper like I do. I got mine as a scratch and dent. Discount, I guess. But they included the toe guards, which I think is nice. So it's always safe to have toe guards. I would say if you want to protect your toes, good idea to always use it. I skate outdoors mostly, so I probably would use something heavier. This is pretty thin. I would use like a heavy leather or rubber toe cap, but these are actually really cute because they match the skates. It's the same material, which doesn't show up because I'm in the dark. They give you a cool sticker. Cool sticker. Wow, look at that. That's cute. Also, this was really interesting, which I think is great because these skates are targeted to new skaters, and a lot of people don't know the physics or biology of a roller skate. So I would say definitely look at this chart to understand parts of your skates. We try to explain this in a lot of the new skater pages, and people are like, oh, what's a plate? What's a truck? But look, it's all here. Come on. It's not focusing. Focus. 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 Oh my goodness. You are making me look bad, dude. Anyway, so yeah, look at the physics of your skate, and then look, a crab tool. A lot of skates don't always come with any kind of tool, so you're reliant on trying to buy this stuff from skate shops or online, and they've been sold out of everything over this past year, so read your chart. Also, a big suggestion whenever you get new skates is to work on adjustment, which again, that's why they gave you a tool. So first thing normally is loosen the wheels. Luckily these came like pretty rolly, so I think because they had to do quality control and quality checks on these skates, I don't know if they loosened them or they just came that way, but some are actually too loose, so that click is actually a little too tight. I got a fancy tool, so this works for everything. I would tighten it a little bit. Still rolls. It doesn't seem like the bearing might not be seated in there very well. That seems pretty good. That one's really loose. You don't want that wiggle. Excuse me. Coughs. Yeah, that's good. Still rolls. We're good. And then the toe stop. Everybody has a preference on toe stops. I'm not a toe dragging toe stop person, so toe stops are mainly for trying to tiptoe around things or just walking, standing still. I don't know. In the derby realm, we tend to use them pretty low. If you're a park skater, do not recommend park skating in these. If you're a park skater, you want them pretty far up. But the rule of thumb for roller derby people is 3 to 4 fingers. This is about 5. I just like it a little lower, so I'll just loosen them up. Lower them down a little bit, just so I don't die, because as soon as I try to stand still on a toe stop and it's all the way up, that's where I fall over. These are really tight, to be honest. Okay, so yeah, I like about 4 fingers, just a little lower, so I'm standing around. Also, a big thing to remember is if you change your wheels, these are very short wheels. So, I don't know, I'm just going to make up a number. I think they're like 57s, but if you get a taller wheel, say like this wheel, this is really big compared to that one, right? If you change your wheels out, make sure you check on that toe stop, because you'll have a bad time. And I may have done that before. I may have gotten smaller toe stops and not adjusted, or smaller wheels and not adjusted my toe stop. So definitely do that. Big thing about tightening your toe stops, to make sure, because these things will fall out while you're skating. If it unscrews, you'll lose both the washer and the toe stop will fly away. So you want to get a really strong tightening, and some of us tend to be really gentle with stuff. You can't be gentle with it. It's kind of like when my dad taught me how to use a screwdriver. He's like, keep tightening it. And I'm like, it won't go anymore. And he's like, do it more. Sorry, it's more like a wrench, because screwdrivers, you can strip the screw. But yeah, you just want to... See, it gave a little bit of a budge. Or if you have a very strong friend, significant other, husband, father, parent, have them that give it a good squinch. So here I am. I'm outside and it's 40 degrees and a little windy, and I thought I would do my test drive of these skates because I had them for a day. Like I said earlier, not even a full day, so maybe I should, test them out. And as you can see, it's overcast. If this was like any normal December, it would be snowing, but it's windy and cold. Let's try these skates out. overall, they roll pretty well. I actually think I got a size too big. I looked at the measurements, I thought these would fit. Then again, this is Euro 41, I use a Euro 40, size 8. But I probably could have gone down a size. They look cute. Look how cute they are. But yeah, fit and tighten up the laces enough, it's still too stiff.